Hello guys and welcome to another video. This isn't a gaming video. It's just to teach you guys how to put animated alerts. So when someone follows you or donates to you or subscribes to you on Twitch, they come up on your stream as an animated and as an animation. Like mine. You can go and look at my streams on Twitch. So yeah, going on with the video. So we have to go to streamlabs.com first. So I guess we can just click here. Oh no. Wrong place. We have to go to the login button. And here is mine and all that stuff. And then you have to click alert box, okay? Now, you go down here. There's like a bunch of like custom made, like pre-made stuff. Now alert box v2, I didn't know how to really do stuff with this. It looks a little hard to me, so you can just like off that. To the original one because yeah. And so here you can choose if you want to do your follower alert box, your subscriptions alert box, your donations alert box, bits, raids, merch, and so on and so forth. So let's do our follows first. I mean, I already have it. So you have to do follow alerts, press that enabled. It'll be disabled, but just press enabled. Then you can do the layout. You can choose to have a picture on top of your text, just your picture behind your text, or your picture side to side on the right side of your text, on the left side, sorry. And then message template, when it says name in brackets, you don't want to change that because the computer adds the name in. If you delete that whole thing, it possibly might not work, or it just might not show the name. So yeah. And then text animation, you can do a bunch of stuff. You can play with that, really good. And then an image, you can make your own image, or you can just do they have pre-made images. GIFs. And then if you go to the uploads, you get 10 GB from Prime. I don't have Prime, so yeah. And then you can just put whatever you have in there, and then you can just drag and upload and just, yeah, a bunch of that stuff. And then yeah, and then the same with sound. They have sound here, or you can just upload your own sound. But yeah, and then the sound volume, you can change the volume. Alert duration, which basically means how long the alert stays open before it closes. And then alert text delay is that the picture comes first, and then the text will come like 2 seconds after or 3 seconds after, depending on what you want to do. And then enable custom HTML/CSS is basically code. You don't really need code for what we're doing right now, but like really big streamers, they have like really cool animations, so they need like HTML and CSS, so you can just disable it, and then you just press save settings. And then the same thing for subscriptions. You press enable, do all that stuff, yeah. And then sound volume 50, alert duration. And then now donation, this is a little bit different. Basically the same for the top. And then open text to speech is basically like when they when the donations put it in, when the donators put their money in, they literally can just put like a text like wish you good luck, or like keep going, or keep doing the best thing ever. And yeah, and then yeah, and then you can just select if you want it disabled or enabled. But yeah, I'll keep that enabled actually. And then minimum amount to alert, which means that how much does it need? How much does a person have to pay? At least pay for the alert to come up. I just put it for $0 because I accept any money. The message template, name, donate, amount. Name and amount you don't want to like delete because again the computer adds them in. You can delete donated and change that. And then thank you, it helps us stream, yeah. And then the text animation, image, sound, volume, open donator message settings. This is kind of the same thing, but you guys don't need to mess with that right now. Now guys, the second step to doing this is after you do all that, press save settings for everything. And then you just have to check everything or whatever you want the animate alerts to show up, and then you have to click to show widget URL, but you don't really need to click to show because you just really don't. And then you just have to copy it, and then yeah, now you guys just have to open OBS. Okay, guys. So now once you copy and paste the widget URL, press this plus button in your new source and press browser. You can name that whatever. We can name it like stream alert or something. Oh, spell alert wrong. Alert. There we go. I guess press OK. And then this URL, you delete this URL and you put in whatever widget you had. And then just press OK. And then it should come up, and a way to see if it can so we can like lower this or something, and a way to see if it is like showing and everything. You can just go back to Streamlabs. Okay, now guys, if you go back to OBS, you can press test follow, test subscription, test resub, and it will test whatever alert box you have. So let's press test follow. Hey, nice. So you guys, oh wait, now you guys can see it. That was because it was overlapping, so you guys just have to be careful with overlapping and stuff. So, yeah, guys, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and tell me if you want to see any more how-to videos. Yeah, bye!